Real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right, they can't tell me nothing. Grand all winning, fucking up the summer. Do it big time, might go get a Hummer. Even though you lying, tell me that you love me.
And then kind of in that same timeline, like this is probably 2017, 2018, Instagram changes their algorithm and the panels don't work anymore. Fuelgram doesn't work anymore. And it just cuts all of our traffic off. So we're like, oh no, I don't know what I'm going to do. So we started learning how to do Facebook ads at that point, which wasn't terrible, but it definitely was,
It was an adjustment.
It was a massive adjustment. So, which is good. I think, in the long run, you look back at like all the trials and tribulations you go through, and it's like, the things that were the hardest and the most miserable are actually, not only do they build character, but they make you who you are.
Yes.
So that's how you get the skills. It's like the hard stuff, right? It's not the easy stuff.
Agreed.
So yeah, we learned how to run Facebook ads, and we're not doing too good at those, but it's profitable enough. And then, so like I told you, like, my path has not been linear. Like, I feel like a lot of people look at people on Instagram and they think like, oh, they started and then all of a sudden they got rich. And then, there's no like, threshold or pressure or, any bumps. And it's like that, maybe that's that way for some people. That's definitely not the way it was for me.
Same.
Yeah, it's like I feel like I got to the top of the mountain and then Zeus kicked me off and I fell back to the bottom again. So that happened again. So we started running up the content and I became a millionaire when I was like 22. So it's like 22, 23, probably midway through 22, and the algorithm changes and things get a little dicey. And then we started a new brand, and it was called Viscani, and it was a coffee machine. And we're in Bali at the time. We're traveling all around the world. It's like Q4, and my girl picks out this. I mean, it was great. Like, it like looked like a luxury coffee machine. We were buying it for like $150 and selling it for $500. Like, it was like crazy margins. And I was running Google Shopping ads, and I was doing like 10x ROI. Like, so we do like over 7 figures in like 3 months on this product during Q4. And oh man, we were so stoked. So that's when we ran that up, and that's when we made $1 million basically just from Manuka and Viscani. And it's so crazy. Like, obviously we think we're on top of the world again because we're crushing the game. We're so sick. We're traveling the world. We think nothing can touch us.